When you wake up in the morning, no matter how you feel, try this life-enhancing technique. Think of 3 things for which you are grateful. Start with simple things. Let's say, for instance, you feel grateful for your good health. There are millions of people who would envy your health. Even if you are in poor health, there are many more who are worse off or dead. As a second thing to be thankful for, what about the roof over your head? Have you ever traveled to a country where the streets are lined with beggars? Or where children sift through the plastic bottles on the rubbish tips? Are you watching this video on your home computer, plugged into the electric supply? You already have many things to be thankful for. Have you eaten breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, or dinner? Then there's something else to be thankful for. I am one of the lucky ones who has never had to worry about where my next meal was coming from. As a teenager, I did voluntary work for a charity helping starving people in poverty. So there are 3 things that I can be grateful for, and I hope you can too. Now think of 3 things for you to be grateful for. I don't mind if you copy mine, just be thankful. But here's the catch. I want you to write them down. If you keep a diary, open it at today's page and jot down the 3 things you're being grateful for today. If you believe in a God or a universal force, then direct your thanks to them. If not, just look up to the sky and thank the sun that it shines on you. Thank the trees for providing shade and a place for the birds to nest. If it's raining, thank the rain for watering the flowers. Do this every day. Think of 3 things to be grateful for and write them down. If you enjoyed this video, you can thank me by liking it and subscribing to my channel. You never know what you might have to be thankful for tomorrow.